My beautiful people, welcome to day 9 of our awesome Sculpting Pilates challenge. Today, we are doing our back, which is so important for posture and spine health, all right? You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. Starting with our first exercise, we have a nice wide stance, all right? One hand is on your hip, the other one is diagonal up, and you're gonna reach for your opposite foot, all right? And then coming right back up gracefully to that diagonal reach, all right? Down to the foot and up, very good. All right, nice straight arm here. All right, the first one I kind of went like this. I was like, nope, nope, nope. We are going to keep that arm straight and then reach all the way back. You're gonna feel it here in that muscle right below your shoulder blade. All right, very good. Using your core muscles and your back muscles to bring you up and down with a nice straight back. So we're not curving down like that. No, boom. Nice straight spine, coming down and then twisting and coming back up. All right. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it off, switch. Very good. Breathing, so inhale as you come up, exhale as you come down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Very good. Nice, long, elegant neck. Our shoulders are pushed away from our ears, so even though our arms up, we're not like this, you know? Boom. Nice, long, elegant neck. Very good. Looking up, nice proud chin. When you come up, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, we have a prisoner torso twist, but we're going slowly. All right, I'm gonna stay in that wide stance because I kind of think it helps you stabilize a little bit more. But if you're uncomfortable with that, go ahead, do a nice normal stance, bent knees, okay? And we have our hands behind our head and we are going to twist our torsos slowly, slowly. We usually do our nice fast ones, all right? It's a great warm up, but we're taking it slow, okay? Going to one side, holding a little bit, and then going to the other side. And you're gonna see why I said slow, okay? When you get all the way over as much as you can feel it in your back muscles. Woo! Very good, chin up. All right, just because, you know, our hands are behind here, make sure you're not pulling down, all right? If you are, go ahead, hold behind your ears, chin up. Alrighty, last one, and 3, 2, 1, center. Very good. Next, we have a W squeeze. Love these. Arms up to the side, palms forward. All right, and we're bringing those elbows in towards our body, and we're squeezing those shoulder blades together, but we're not opening up our rib cage. So we're not going like this. Nope, boom, lock it in. Tight core, tuck in that butt. All right, we're just squeezing our shoulder blades together, squeezing our back, all right? Very good. You can hold it in this W position for a few seconds before releasing and repeating. All right, just make sure you have a nice proud chest, long, elegant neck. Remember all those good posture points. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, squeeze, and release. Very good. Next, we have a standing bird dog, all right? So feet are a little closer together, all right? We have a nice little bend in the knees, straight back, all right? Opposite arm and opposite leg extend, and we are going to bring elbow to knee and then out again. All right, boom, boom. All right, that is our standing bird dog. If this is not for you today, go ahead and do it in a march form, all right? Instead of bent knees and bent over and balancing a little bit more, try this, all right? If not, challenge yourself, all right? You can hold on to a wall or a chair if you need to. And 3, 2, 1, and together, other side. Breathing, nice tight core, straight back. All right, check on yourself. Take your time. Engage those muscles rather than go fast and quick and try to rush it in there, all right? Pay attention to your form. And 3, 2, 1, together and stand. Awesome job, set 1 done. Going right into set 2, starting with our diagonal reach, wide stance. One side, let's go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. And 3, 2, 1, and switch. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Hands behind your head. Slow torso twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release. Very good. W squeeze. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release. Very good. Standing bird dog one way. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together, other side. And 3, 2, 1, together, up and celebrate. 2, done and dusted. Great job. We're almost there. 1 more to go. All right, third and final set. You got this. Push through, starting with our diagonal reach. Let's get it.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, and switch. And 3, 2, 1. And release, very good. Hands behind your head. Slow torso twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center, release. Very good. W squeeze. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release. Very good. Standing bird dog one way. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, other side. And 3, 2, 1, together. And there we have it, my beautiful people, day 9 in the books. You're almost there. Tomorrow is our 10th and final day with Coach Greg. All right, so let me know what you thought of the challenge so far. Which day has been your favorite? How excited are you to complete it tomorrow? And I will see you there.